Okay, can we say category is hair? Okay, get into this hair. Yes, it is giving all of the luscious vibes that it needs to give. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to part my hair off for this deep side part that I'm trying to go for. Y'all, disclaimer on my hair. I know I look crazy, but listen. So, like, really, I'm still trying to, like, in the process of growing my hair back, friend. I had a shortcut. Basically all of 2022, so, yeah. And I'm also trying to debate if I want to go back relax or keep my hair to go natural. It's actually in the middle of both right now, and it's really I'm not feeling it. But anyways, y'all aren't here for that. Y'all here for this deep side part. So okay, so I'm about to part my hair, section my hair off for this deep side part. And yeah, I'm gonna part my hair off. Then I'm gonna use one of these stocking caps, and some of this, I'm leaving it upside down, but it is called Robert Diamond Bonds Protective Shield for my hair, to protect it so the glue won't touch my hair. It will be on the cap when I go to apply it. But yeah, y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off, put this Robert Diamond Bond stuff on my hair to protect my hair, and I'm gonna go send it to the dryer. And yeah. Okay, so like I told you guys, I am sectioning off my hair to get that deep side part effect. I'm making sure that I section off a little piece in the front, just so, like I said, can have that actual deep side part. I'm next gonna go in with some edge booster just to make sure that my edges are intact, okay? Like, I am a stickler for edges to be laying down, and I just wanna make sure that everything, all the hair is together and intact. So I'm also going behind with some Gots to be freeze spray, just to make sure that all my hair is intact. So now you see me putting the rubber bond stuff around the perimeter of where my part is, and then I'm going behind it with some Gots to be spray. Then I'm going to put my stocking cap on, and you'll see me putting some more edge control on those edges because I need my edges to be intact, okay? And then you're going to be seeing me put the Robert Diamond Bond stuff on my hair to protect my hair during this protective style, and then I will go send it to the dryer. Okay, y'all, I have sat under the dryer for 15 minutes, and I have with the protective stuff as well as the Gotsby, and I did cut the cap off camera. So this is how it looks. I know it looks crazy, but I'm gonna just go ahead and start the gluing the tracks down process. So yeah, I'm using just some Salon Pro hair glue, and it's just some tracks that I have at home. I had lying around, so I'm going to get started. Okay, y'all, so this part is really just straightforward. You're just going to cut and measure the track to where it needs to be, put the glue on, and then you're just going to place it directly onto the cap. Okay, y'all, so once you get by your ear, make sure that you start to curve the track upwards. As you can see, I already did one. I'm getting ready to show you how I do the next one. Just be sure to lay the track curving up a little bit. That's just gonna just ensure that you get that deep, really deep side part. So make sure you're curving it up, as well as it's gonna fall on the other side, covering over your ear, which just gives you that wispy look on that side and the deep side part on your parted side. Okay, y'all, I am slowly but quickly moving my way up my head. I am using an 18-inch, a 16-inch, and a 14-inch. I want to use all of it. I'm on the 16 right now. I like my hair really, really thick and full. So I'm just gonna continue to lay the tracks down, and once I am done, I will come back to you guys after I finish laying the tracks, and we're gonna cut the layers up. We're gonna cut this thing up, have it looking really good. We're gonna have it looking really luscious, and we're just gonna have it for the girls, okay? So yes, so I'm gonna continue to lay the tracks down, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have finished installing the hair. This side part is deep, okay? It is giving deep side part. The hair is very long. Very, very long. But yeah, we're getting ready to, I'm getting ready to show you guys how I layer this deep side part. And we're gonna curl it up after we layer it and make it do what it do. Okay, so I just combed it all out, making sure it's tangle free. And I'm just going to take a section of the hair, roll that section back. You definitely want to start low. Make sure we section off the other hair that you're not using. So I'll clip that back. Okay, y'all, so after you section the hair back, you take it, comb it out. I want my layers to be fairly kind of short. I want a lot of body, so I'm gonna start cutting right here. Okay, y'all, so I parted off the second section, and I'm gonna just match it up to the first section where I cut, and where I see the shortest piece fall from the first part, that's when I'm gonna start cutting on the second section, and that's just gonna give it the layers throughout the whole head of my hair. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all, so as you see, I got another section, so I'm gonna take my shears and I'm gonna cut them downward at an angle, and I'm gonna start high up because, like I said, I want a lot of layers. So as you see, I cut high up and I cut all the way down into the very end of the hair. I'm just going to repeat the same process on the opposite side of my hair, cutting down at an angle. Okay, y'all, so this TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Heat Protecting Spray is a holy grail. Like, my extensions loves this stuff. Every time I put it on there, bomb.com curls all the time, never misses. So definitely get some of that stuff and put it on your hair prior to curling your hair. Okay, y'all, so I am using a 1-inch flat iron by Conair Professionals to curl my hair. I would prefer to use my curling iron, but I could not find it, so a flat iron it will be, and the curls actually came out pretty nice. Okay, y'all, so after applying that heat protecting spray to each section, I also applied the Got to Be freeze holding spray to each section, so therefore it ensures that all of my curls are going to be intact. As well, as you can see, I am curling backwards on each side of my head, and that is just going to make sure that I have that layered look that I'm going for. Okay, so you see me applying the TRESemmé heat protectant spray to my leave out just to protect it from the heat. I'm also going to go behind it with the Flexible Style Spray Wax by Paul Mitchell to help blend my hair with the tracks. I am also going to apply the She's Balm hair wax stick just to the ends of my hair so I can flat iron it together so it can blend seamlessly with the tracks. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product of the hair. I love how it came out, like I really do. I love the layers. It is super, super pretty. My short and natural transitioning slash relaxed hair is, I don't really know what to call it because I'm still relaxed and some of my hair is already natural, so transitioning hair. And it's short. It blended so well with this. To help you blend it out, I want to give you a tip. Make sure you get you a wax stick. I do use the wax spray by Paul Mitchell, but I find it that was when I saw a technique on YouTube from another girl on here, and she used the wax stick on the ends of her hair, and I felt like it made my hair blend like seamlessly. Like I feel like it did really, really good. Like I just love it. The layers are giving what it's supposed to give. Like just look at it. It's like beachy waves. So yeah, I'm off subject, but yes, first wax stick on the ends of your hair. We'll get your hair to blend seamlessly with your extensions. Like just look at it. Like y'all look at my hair. Like just look at me. Like it's giving. This deep side bang, this deep side part is giving what it's supposed to give. Super deep. I love it. It's super cute. You don't want it too much in your eye. That's okay. I'm looking at my mirror, y'all, so sorry if I'm looking away. I'm looking in my mirror. So if it's like too much side bang, just pull it over a little bit. But if you are dramatic like me, then you love the dramatic side bang and what all it has to give, okay? Yes, I just love it. It's super, super cute. This was super, super easy to do. Didn't take much of anything, just molding the hair, measuring the tracks, gluing them down, blending your leave outs, and yeah, that's the key to the perfect install, is making sure your leave out blends good with your extensions, because you want to be undetectable. Like, and I feel, sorry y'all, I'm looking away. I'm looking in the mirror, but I feel like when your weave is undetectable, it just gives the girls what it's supposed to give. Like, I just love it. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Oh, and the layers. Don't get me started on the layers. Like, the layers are there too. I was cutting at an angle, as you guys saw, and it just came out really nice. Like, I'm loving this deep side part. Quick weave on the short hair. I'm giving you guys what you want. Like, this is what you ladies need, okay? This is what you need. This is super cute. It's just giving. Y'all, this is like my signature design, but it's all good. But yes, thank you guys for tuning into my video. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. I hope that each step by step in this video was understandable, and I hope you guys can use this and you too slay, and I can see all your slays. Make sure you guys, you know, take the tips that I gave you and help you to get the same look. You know, everybody wants to achieve this look, because I think we all gonna just look so great with these layers and this deep side part. I think all of us will just look so good. But anyway, if you guys like this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as well as you make sure you turn on that post notification bell so therefore you can be notified every time I post a video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.